Our next guest created the company My Sunshine Magic. It's on your screen right now, selling charm necklaces. She's also written and published 2 books.
My first book, Mommy B and Me, all about AJ's magical blanket, names B. My second book, AJ's Birthday Surprise, is all about AJ and her amazing birthday surprise. And my third book is my chapter book. And it's all about AJ and her cat Dazzle going from the little world to the big world to try and save it while something horrible is happening to it and get magical things along the way.
Ariana Jalia is with us. She's a 4th grader at K-12I Academy here in New York City. Ariana, sorry, welcome to the program. Good to see you.
Thank you. It's so excited. It's nice to be here.
I'll shake hands. Nice to see you.
Nice to meet you.
You started reading at 2?
Yes, I did.
And when did you write your first book?
I wrote my first book at 3 years old, and I wrote my second book at 4. You see, then I realized if I wanted a way to sell my book, I started my business. So I started my company called My Sunshine Magic, and I was successful.
Did you have a lot of help from Mom and Dad, or Mom? Mom's in the studio with us.
Yep.
Did she help you a lot?
She did help me.
In what way?
She helped me. Well, she helped me in what way? By inspiring me to fall in love with the love of business. Well, I grew up watching her. Well, the writing and the drawing since I was only 3. So my mom had to write down what I said. But sometimes she got it wrong, so I had to scribble it all out and have her do it again.
You are now 7 years old?
Yep.
And I'm told that you want to have $3 million in the bank by the age of 9, 2 years from now.
Correct.
How are you going to do that?
Well, how am I going to get $9 million in the bank? Well, I figured out if I wanted to be able to sell my book, my novel, which I've currently been writing. It's over 70,000 words, and it's all about a magic book that was shattered. It's the journey on putting it back together. If I want to sell it, I need a team. So I put one together. I signed with a New York City literary agency, and I'm currently working with an editor that has many New York Times bestsellers under her belt. And altogether, hopefully, we'll be able to get $9 million in the bank, as you said.
3 million.
3 million.
Okay. You'll take 9, but you're going for 3. Okay. And the novel will help you get there.
The novel will help me get there because hopefully me and my team are going to be able to have at least, as the cherry on top, we'll have at least a business deal, a TV series, or a Hollywood deal.
A Hollywood deal? What do you want to do when you grow up? You seem very grown up to me right now, but what do you want to do when you're a teenager or when you're a 20-something?
Well, I want to continue writing my books, and I want to continue inspiring children to read, write, and create their own magical stories.
Why did you get into business? What intrigued you? Is it just making money? Is that it?
Okay, I'll be honest. I like money too.
Yeah? Okay. What else?
Well, I just fell in love with the love of business, inspiring people. I mean, I love that. And plus, I grew up watching my mom being a businesswoman, and I fell in love with that.
Ariana, it was a real pleasure having you on the show. It really was.
It was a pleasure being here with you.
You're charming, too. Come back and see us. I want to see you get to that goal of $3 million in the bank within the next 2 years. It was a real pleasure. Jalia, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Okay. I will shake that hand again. Yes, indeed.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Thank you.